May I now request Father Dr. Sejan S.J., Registrar and Vice Principal of our college, to kindly bring the Holy Lamp from the Sarvadham Sambhav Prasnalaya, the sacred centrum of our college, where we have placed holy books like Quran, Bhagavad Gita, Bible and Guru Granth Sahib. With the lighting of this auspicious lamp, we invoke the divine blessing full of knowledge, purity, and external peace. May this flame inspire clarity of thought and the strength to walk the path of rightness. Thank you all. Now, to fill this occasion with grace and devotion, I invite Jia Kumari for the prayer dance. Thank you, Jia, for the soulful and beautiful performance. Now I request Dr. Piyush Sahai, our placement head, to formally inaugurate the DISA 3.0. Sir, please.
Good morning to everyone present here. Reverend Father Martin Puras S.J., respected Father Sherry George S.J., our esteemed chief guest, Abhyanand Sir, distinguished guest, Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, respected faculty members, representatives from different partner institutions, dear students, well-wishers, and my colleagues. On behalf of the School of Management, Xavier University, Patna, Placement Cell, St. Xavier's College of Management and Technology, Patna, it gives me immense pleasure to warmly welcome you all to this Disha 3.0. Some of the students must be wondering what is Disha 3.0. This Disha is the initiative of Department of Business Administration and Placement Cell to help and guide students to plan their careers ahead. This is a student research and counseling symposium jointly organized by Shiksha Mantrak's team. Disha has always been direction, guidance and purpose that help the students to continue to achieve their mission. This platform is designed to help our students and students from neighboring institutions to discover their potential, interact with leading academic institutions, gain insights and shape their professional journey. Today, we bring together bright minds, industry mentors, academic leaders and experts who will guide our students towards informed career choices and research orientation. Our college has always believed in holistic development, where education is not just limited to classrooms, but expanded through experience, interactions, and opportunities. This symposium is one such initiative. I congratulate the entire organizing team for bringing together such a vibrant and meaningful event. Before we formally begin, it is my privilege to acknowledge and welcome once again the distinguished personalities who grace us with their presence today. At this moment, I would like to request Reverend Father Martin Porras SJ to kindly come forward and welcome our chief guest, Abhyanand sir, with a shawl, memento and sapling, as a gesture of our respect and gratitude. Father. सरकार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करें। I also request Father Martin Porras SJ to extend the same gesture of honor, a shawl, a memento and a sapling to Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, the founder of Shiksha Mantras, whose presence today enriched this event. I formally declare Disha 3.0 open, and I wish all the participants an engaging and inspiring experience throughout the day. Thank you, and may this event guide each one of us towards a brighter future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I warmly invite our Honorable Vice Chancellor and Principal, Father Dr. Martin Porras SJ, to give the welcome speech. Father, please.
Our esteemed chief guest, a luminary in public service and educational reform, Shri Abhyanand Ji, distinguished members of the faculty, dedicated staff, and most importantly, our bright and ambitious students. Good morning and a warm welcome to Disha 3.0, a program meant for charting your future. Disha 3.0 is not merely a number. It signifies a tradition of commitment, an evolution of thought, and a renewed promise to guide you, our students, as you stand as one of life's most critical crossroads. We live in a time of unprecedented change. The straight and predictable career path that your parents might have gone through has been changing fundamentally. The fourth industrial revolution, powered by artificial intelligence, data science, and automation, is not a distant forecast. It is our present reality. It demands not just knowledge, but a sophisticated portfolio of skills, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, cognitive flexibility, and a spirit of lifelong learning. Your career may not be a single straight railway line, but it will be a voyage across an open sea, requiring you to be the captain of your ship, constantly adjusting your sails to the winds of change. This new paradigm can be challenging, but at the same time, it can be very liberating for all of you. We are honored to have Shri Abhyanand Ji as our chief guest. His life is a master class in purpose and service. After a distinguished career as Director General of Police, marked by integrity and leadership, he co-founded Super 30, shaping the future of countless underprivileged students. Thus, he truly lives the Jesuit ideal of being a man for others. Shri Abhyanand Ji embodies the dual legacy of authority and empathy. His journey teaches us that a professional career can be a platform for profound social service. Sir, your presence is a powerful lesson for all of us. We are eager to hear your words of wisdom. A warm welcome to you, sir. To my dear students, I urge you to engage with Disha 3.0 with an open mind. You are the ultimate architect of your future. You cannot delegate this responsibility to anyone else. Use this opportunity to lay the foundation for a professional life that is both successful and rewarding. I once again extend a warm welcome to our chief guest and to all of you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you, Jai Xavier, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Father, for your inspiring words. अब मैं हमारे मुख्य अतिथि को बुलाने से पहले एक सुपर 30 के खास वक्तव्य को प्रस्तुत करता हूँ। वह यह है कि अब राजा का बेटा राजा नहीं बनेगा, राजा वही बनेगा जो उसके हकदार होगा। इसी के साथ moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to hear from our esteemed guest, Mr. Abhyanand sir, a retired IPS officer, well-known educationist, and the co-founder of renowned Super 30 program with Anand Kumar, a former IPS officer and a popular physics teacher who helped underprivileged students for the free coaching, emphasizing the work and focusing on fundamental knowledge, and with his own institution continuing to offer similar coaching for competitive exams like JEE, NEET and Olympiads. Sir, we are honored to have you with us today. May I request you to come up on the stage. Mr. Abhyanand sir, please come up on the stage and address the gathering.
I thank the management of this institute for having invited me to address you all in this counseling session, Disha 3.0. I'm not used to delivering long talks, That is the prerogative of Rajneता, which I am not. I will give you just two things that I conjured up right now here. And then I will request you to put up questions if you have. The first thing is, do you realize that education is not a process of transferring knowledge from the mind of the teacher to the mind of the student, as if this teacher has a pocket full of knowledge in his mind and he has to transfer it to a mind which is empty. But most of the time, teaching is taken as such. Information and knowledge, whatever you call it, is getting transferred from the mind of somebody who has it to the mind of somebody who doesn't have it. And if anyone feels, either the student or the teacher, that this process goes on and this is the best way of teaching, then my experience as a teacher, which I am professionally not, is that this process does not take place. Just does not take place. You try it and you fail. The second thing is, I'll ask you a question. In your body, in anyone's body, what is the most precious organ that you can think of? And my answer is, I've given it a lot of thought. My answer is something which is here, my brain. And this is unique. One, it is completely mine. Good, bad, indifferent, it is mine. And since it is mine and my most precious organ, I am not going to surrender before anyone in terms of knowledge and argument. He may be my teacher, he may be my anything. But I will not surrender my knowledge or my mind. And you understand what is surrendering of the mind. जो बोलेंगे सच सही है. Everything that you say, yes sir, right sir. So there is no no sir. If this is happening, then you have surrendered yourself. So my bit of advice, the second one is in Hindi, सुनेंगे सबकी, करेंगे अपनी. And there is nothing wrong, in fact everything is right about it. So these are the two ideas that I wanted to throw up to you. If you accept it, it will help you grow in personality. If you don't, bad luck to you. Thank you so much. This was my idea that I wanted to give to you. If you have anything to ask, you might be having problems, not only related to this, to anything in life. Because I have lived my life almost completely, did whatever I had to do. Therefore, I think I am in a position to give some disha to your doubts. I am ready, provided you have yes. You want a mic? Go ahead, I can listen to you. You're young. Bolo Jose.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
Good morning.
मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि अगर हम लोग MBA परस्यू करेंगे तो उस टाइम उन लोग को कौन सा इम्पोर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट्स को देखना पड़ेगा?
छोटा सा एपिसोड अपना लाइफ का सुना देते हैं, दैट विल गिव यू an idea. I had already joined the Indian Police Service and was SP CBI Ranchi. DIT मैसरा से निकला के प्रोफेशनल कोर्स MBA के लिए I applied for it, triple test, 6 years हम कर सकते हैं और मैं क्वालिफाई करके इंटरव्यू आया मिशन Collegial chairman was the chairman of the interview board. I knew him because CBI was taking में मुलाकात की. He asked me, आप क्या चले आए मैनेजमेंट करने के लिए? शॉर्ट जब पढ़ने का तो आपको अगर हम लोग सेलेक्ट करते हैं तो आप क्या कीजिएगा? जो आपका स्पेशलाइजेशन होता है. I said I like to do marketing. CBI के SP आप मार्केटिंग करके क्या कीजिए? पर्सनल मैनेजमेंट. देखो कितना टिपिकल अप्रोच हो रहा है. I said I would like to study and find out whether the service that I belong to, IPS, can be marketed or not. बात समझ में आई क्या?
हम लोग को जब मतलब जो भी हम लोग का स्ट्रीम होगा उसका पढ़ने चूज करना है.
एक IPS होकर के मैं मैनेजमेंट का कोर्स ज्वाइन कर रहा था. मैंने आज में क्या कीजिएगा? बोला आप लोग पर्सनल मैनेजमेंट पढ़िए कुछ फायदा होगा. इसलिए हमको इंटरेस्ट है मार्केटिंग में और हमको फायदा होगा मार्केटिंग. I wrote an article in my professional journal, marketing the police service. And if it is a service, then it should be able to be marketed. नए ढंग से सोचो, कोई प्रॉब्लम आया तो नए ढंग से सोचो. यही हमने कहा कि अपना दिमाग किसी को मत दे दो. ट्रेडिशनली लोग ऐसे सोच रहे हैं, देखो हम ये so think they cannot be one answer.
Thank you, sir.
Anyone else?
I think problem solving is a very crucial aspect of life, but sometimes we can't really solve a problem because we fail to identify it. So how should we identify it? Like how should we clearly identify our problems in life, whether it's professional or personal?
देखो ये ओवरनाइट तो नहीं होता. आपके थिंकिंग प्रोसेस में लचीला जो है आपको बता देते हैं कहाँ पर आए. छोटे बच्चे आएंगे क्लास 1 KG and they are not forced into thinking. I'll give you an example. आप लोग सब कोई पढ़े होंगे. अगर पूछें आप कि how many fingers are there, what would you say? 5? Right or wrong? 5. नाम बताओ. लिटिल फिंगर, रिंग फिंगर, मिडिल फिंगर, इंडेक्स फिंगर, थंब. दिस इज नॉट अ फिंगर. सब में आपने फिंगर कहा है. ये तो थंब है. फिर थंब फिंगर तो एक है. तो हमको तो 4 ही मिला. Does it set you thinking? And if it doesn't, you are dumb. एक तो क्वेश्चन आप नहीं क्रिएट कर सकते. When he asked this question, he thought there is a pill. You eat that pill and the question start coming. ये प्रैक्टिस आता है राइट फ्रॉम KG क्लास 1. और उसका फोर्स कौन करेगा? उसका टीचर. The teachers don't force you to think, so you don't think. And if you don't think, then you don't get questions. If you don't get questions, you will not get novel answers. Have I made my point?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
If you could give one lesson from your professional life as well as personal life that could give us to us so that it will help in our own life.
I couldn't understand you at all. Bas slowly bolo.
So if there's a life lesson that you could give us from your professional or personal life,
Life lesson. Ah.
from your
You
professional
want
lesson.
a life lesson from my life? So I have already given it to you in my introduction. Do not actually. Everyone can give you an input. So listen to the input very seriously. And don't prejudge it. So once you have heard all, then take your decision which may not tally with anyone. Or it may tally with someone. But once you take that as your own, then don't say that you have done it at his behest. Say that it was your decision. I think the time is limited, so let's stop here.
The words will undoubtedly leave a lasting impact on all of us. Now I request Aisa Hasmi from BCA Third to present the vote of thanks.
Henry Van Dyke says, and I quote, "Gratitude is the inward feeling of kindness received. Thankfulness is the natural impulse to express that feeling. Thanksgiving is the following of that impulse." Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of St. Xavier's College of Management and Technology, I, Aisha Hashmi, feel truly honored to propose the vote of thanks at the valedictory session of Disha 3.0 Student Research and Counseling Symposium. First and foremost, I extend our deepest gratitude to our chief guest, Sir Abhinandan, retired IPS officer, renowned educationist and co-founder of Super 30, for gracing this event with his inspiring presence and sharing invaluable insights on education and career planning. I sincerely thank our rector, principal, vice principal and the esteemed members of management for their unwavering support and guidance. A special note of appreciation to the placement cell and the Department of Business Administration along with the Shiksha Mantra Group for their conceptualizing and organizing this impactful symposium. I would especially like to acknowledge Dr. Piyush Ranjan Sahai, head of the placement cell, for his leadership, support and continuous efforts in making Disha 3.0 successful. We extend heartfelt gratitude to all the distinguished speakers, counselors and university representatives who shared their expertise and helped broaden our understanding. Our sincere thanks to all the faculty coordinates, volunteers and student organizers who worked tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure the smooth execution of this program. A warm appreciation to the anchor of the day, Anumesh, for conducting this event smoothly. And finally, a heartfelt thanks to our students and audience for your enthusiastic participation throughout the day. Your energy and involvement truly made this session meaningful and successful. Thank you. Jai Xavier's, Jai Bharat. BB 30 students are requested to stay back in the Kalam Hall. All the other students are requested to proceed to their respective classrooms. Thank you.